that pretty? It's only $9.99. I don't think that's bad for that. It smells so good. It smells tropical. Mosaic gnomes, how cute. These are cute too. I'm at CVS, by the way. Of course, I came here with a list. That's pretty too. Smells good. And they don't have what I want. They're always out. I really don't know why I bother with this store. How cute. At least they give rain checks. That's cute. Look at the cute honeys. Oh, this one sings. Oh my gosh, look at the ears. That is so cute. Guess who? What does this one do? Oh my god. Too funny.
Down in the meadow with a basket full of good topics. Get fun through the fields and woods. Hop, get the little bitty hopping.
That is adorable. Oh my gosh, look at the cute slippers. Too funny. Aww, so adorable. Oh, these sing too. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. $10 though. K is for Karen, if you're watching. My son asked me what I wanted for my birthday. I think I have an answer for him. Look at how cute. Little keychain. Oh my gosh. Look at his eyes. Cute. Look at all this cuteness. That's Hansel. Look at that, how cute. My very unhealthy haul from Walgreens. Yikes. There was also a few other items I wanted, but of course, they're out too. Here's this week's haul. All my Walgreens items that you guys saw. Throw this in there. It's from CVS. I didn't get a bag because it was so small. These were, if you buy them, you get 99 cents back in extra bucks. So I basically got that for free. So here. Yep, that's all the food. And then here's my bag that I bring with me when I do some local weekly shopping. I just throw like all my coupons in there, my receipts. I got this at CVS too. It was a app coupon. I think it was a 25-cent coupon, and that was on sale for 99 cents. So it got applied to it, and I only ended up paying 74 cents. And that's actually from my mom's house. And then I got these at Walgreens. Oh my gosh. Let me see. I couldn't resist. They were $2.99 each. But I just had to grab them. I don't know, they remind me of Peeps, which is not why I got them. And I didn't end up going grocery shopping. There wasn't anything really that I couldn't live without this week, so I'm just going to skip it. And yeah, that's what I came home with. Here is my weekly deal from Walgreens this week. The big M&M bags are on sale, 2 for $6. Then I had a $1 manufacturing coupon. I also have the $1 off coupon from their little booklet there that you get in the front of the store. So can you use both, because one is from Walgreens themselves and one is from the manufacturer. And then I had another insert coupon that if you bought a big bag of M&Ms, you get a small bag free. So I got that one for free. And then I had $2 in coupons off for the big bags. So in total, for these 2 big bags and the small bag, it cost me only $4 for all 3. These boxes were on sale for only 99 cents. And why I like to buy these is because you get 3 packages of these individually wrapped cookies, and there is 6 to a little package. So I love this because instead of getting like a big package and then opening it, and it's hard to keep it fresh, these, you know, you have a little craving for some cookies, open it up, take out a little individual pack, and you're good to go. I love them. So they probably don't come out as, you know, cheap as it would maybe to buy a whole package, but these work out so much better for me, and they last longer. So I guess in the end you do save money because they stay fresh. But I just like it like that too, and I just take it out of the boxes, throw it in a basket inside the cabinet, and then the kids can pull them out as they want also. These I've never tried, but I figured I'd pick them up because they were on sale for 88 cents. They are 5-ounce bags, and these are buttering, and those are iced oatmeal cookies. I've never had them, but for 88 cents I figured I'd give it a try. Sometimes, you know, after dinner you don't want a full dessert, but you just want something sweet. I'm like that. I always have to top it off with something sweet, even if it's just like a cookie or two. So I thought that this would be great to just have around, and for 88 cents, you know, obviously it's not the healthiest choice, but hey, YOLO. Hopefully you can get to this video before Saturday, because these deals do last through Saturday, and you can go ahead and go get yourself in on these deals if you have a Walgreens.